Hello everybody, Penny Stock Whispers here, doing a stock chart video analysis of our old friend OWOO, the One World Holdings Incorporated. Our last trading day was Monday, February 2nd, where we saw previous close of 0.0033. We closed up last at 0.0032. That was a negative 3.03% decrease on a volume of 334,475 shares. OWOO still looking really nice for a big move up here soon, holding some great support lines, seeing some great trends on our indicators. So I want to get started and go over these with you. We got our 14-day RSIs at 51.79. We are consolidating here with an upwards trend growing. I'm really liking this right now. We are in a prime position to make some acquisitions here. We are between that 70 and the 50. Great place to be, good buying zone. I love what the RSI is doing. Like I said, big upward trends here. We're seeing higher lows, definition of an uptrend, looking great. Moving on down here to our daily charts, OWOO is looking pretty good as well. We are seeing this continued uptrend with these higher lows reflecting nicely on our RSI. We do have our Bollinger Bands looking good. We are seeing a nice little channel forming here. It's coming to pinch back up right around this 0.0013, coming to close that in. Parabolic SAR, these little gold dots are looking great underneath. That's a bullish indicator. Seeing some great crossovers. Let me remove this trend line I drew so we can see them. Have some great crossovers here. Got our 12-day crossing over, lots of them here. We got the 26-day, the 50-day, all being subject to the to this overcoming that. Seeing some great support forming up here. Held on to it today, or on this this previous day where we traded. Sorry about the malfunction there. Here we go. Seeing a great support line right around that 0.0032. Glad it held. This should be a good springboard into the rest of the week. Love what I'm seeing here. Love the channel that's forming. The moving averages are looking great. Some good support. Moving on to the MACDs, also looking good. I love how it's all pinched up like this, right at the zero line. Should see a big explosion soon. All this energy has to go somewhere. Love to see this moving up. Trix line also looking good here. Love the way this is moving. Crossed over the signal line not too long ago, right at the beginning of the year. Seeing that moving up and moving up above that zero. Finally, good to see some good positive numbers. Like to see this continue to grow. We are seeing that consolidation off of this previous jump, this previous dip here, but I don't think it's going to hold. Like I said, this moving uptrend ever since OWOO's big announcement at the end of last year, it's really looking good. So I love the way that that's moving. It's also further reflected in our 30-day Trix line, cross over the signal line, moving up. It's at negative 1.998. Love to see this continue to make some headway upwards into that positive region. Still love the momentum that this has. Really great indicator. Slow stochastics doing something very similar, seeing some consolidation, some continued uptrends. Like to see this cross over that signal line again and head upwards into that 50 region. Good buying zone, 80-50. Love to see anything trading around that area. Moving on down to our CCI, also looking great. 24.45 came down, consolidated again. I love that. That's showing us that we're building a great foundation to continue to move upwards. And really just building that strong foundation to get us moving, and I really like the way that that's working there. So stochastic RSI also looking good at 0.434, seeing a consolidation here. Moves very volatile, but we even out with our 14-day moving average, still seeing a good consolidation at 0.51, still between that 0.8, 0.5. Like I said, seeing some continued uptrends here. This should be our next low. Love to see this RSI continue to move up, cross back up above that 50, and start tugging on our 14-day moving average. Check money flow, finally seeing some great recovery. Had a really rough year last year, but we're finally starting to see this trade upwards in the green region here. Some good volume, good trades. 0.231, nice place to be. Continuing to see some strength growing there. ADX line also looking good. Our positive DI is above the negative DI, still showing an uptrend and gaining strength in that regard. So this positive DI, this uptrend that it's explaining here, still looking good. 22.49 on the ADX. PVO also looking great, seeing a little bit of consolidation like everything else. Still seeing an uptrend. Like to see this bounce back up and make a move soon. Money flow index 36.36 and moving up. Saw our bottom. Nice long dramatic uptrend forming here. Still looking good. Accumulation distribution also looking great. It's been a little bit of a rough ride, but I like this. That consolidation is showing us that we're getting rid of the weak ones and gaining the strong investors. So moving upwards here, always looking good. Seeing a little tip up, liking this accumulation a lot. OWOO looking fantastic overall. I'm seeing some really good stuff long term on this one. I know we've talked about it a couple times before, and it's been a very popular stock. Really great news from the company. If you want to know more about it, please let us know. You can head on over to our website at pennystockwhispers.com. Sign up here. We'll get you some more information on our. Also, if you're on the go, Google Play has us also, so you can download that to your Android device. Penny Stock Whispers. Just do a quick search, and if you're on iOS, we haven't forgotten about you. iTunes is also available. Get everything you need: Twitter, YouTube, market research, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. Leave your comments below, and we'll see you soon.